Hello, in this video I want to show you how to power off your Steam Deck OLED. And to do this, we have a few different ways. The first one is to click on the Steam menu in the bottom left corner of the screen, move to the power, and then you can shut down your Steam Deck entirely with a shutdown button. Next is to click on the power key and hold it for a few seconds. And now it should be powered off. Yep, it just turns on now after I clicked on it again. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.